Gavana wa Trans Nzoia George Natembea nĩorĩtie thirikari ĩtigĩrĩre arĩa othe makwĩrĩire hĩndĩ ya ngahĩha iria irarehetwo nĩ thahabu ĩrĩa ĩrĩga kuoneka itũra rĩa Ikolomani Kakamega nĩ mona kĩhoto kĩao.
The people of Ikolomani, long dependent on artisanal gold mining for survival, firmly reject the attempt by Shanda Gold Limited to take over 337 acres of land, displace over 800 households, and extract gold valued at Kenya shillings 383 billion, while offering only 3 billion shillings in form of compensation.
However, it should not be lost to Kenyans that for a government that has resorted to selling its parastotals, including Kenya Pipeline Company, so as to raise money to do its work, how would they be so conspicuously quiet when we are talking about an opportunity of 685 billion shillings?
Oho nimareganite na kuingatwo kwa andu aria mekuria thahabu iyo ronekire makiuga ti hindi kwamenyeka kuu kuri na thahabu aikari matuire mamienjaga.
How can a community sitting on immense riches remain trapped in poverty? Ikolomani residents are unequivocal. They demand full control of the gold value chain, from extraction to processing and refining.
Oho nimoritie thirikari irekererie makiria ma andu 60 aria kurerikana manyitirwo kumana na ngahĩha icio makiuga ti kihoto andu kurutururwo kwao na njira itari ya kihoto.
Yet and unconditional release of the over 150 residents who were arrested during the clashes with police officers, criminalizing citizens for defending the ancestral land is unacceptable.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Jenga Wambui.